Hello YouTube, Ron from Sci-Fi Model Shop here. Got some new toys for the shop. Uh, this here is a Stand Smart soldering station. So I'll just go over a couple things. There's some YouTube videos out here. Some things I like about it, and some things that I'll probably not use. First of all, everything on here is magnetic. How cool is that, huh? Yeah, pick the whole thing up. Pretty strong magnets. Then it's got a nice light, magnifier light. I'll probably use this more for light than I will a magnifier. Just for the fact that I would have to kind of lean forward and everything to see magnification. I'm going to move that out of the way for a minute. It has two of the smaller clips here. And what I'm going to like about these is you can bend these over like this and put a piece of wire on this side and a piece of wire on this side and solder. Away you go. Then it has two large ones right here. So if you wanted to, you could put these like in a configuration like this and hook up your board all with these clips right here. It's pretty cool. Then the magnet has a little gooseneck on it as well. It has a nice bright light on it. You can see right here. And that's what my overhead's on as well. It's just a plugs into a phone charger device. It's just USB. These little things here, these, hang on, get that out of the way. So these four things right here, they come with the thing, and the idea is you ever look at a circuit board that has holes in the corner, so you could put it on top and in all four of those holes. Bob's your uncle. There you go. Or if you don't have the hose, you can take them down here. These have little slots in them right here. And then you see right there, you can have little slots in them and hold them that way. But I got one of these right here in the picture. Right now it's MIA in my shop. So it wasn't part of this video, but I do have one. Ken's Model Shop had one of those, and I picked it up as well. I'm going to take mine on the legs that you see right here and put magnets on, because this is a nice heavy, I mean it's pretty heavy, plate right here. And it's got, some nice feet on it. Look at it. Right here. It's got some nice feet. And the magnets on these things, on this here, are really strong. They're earth magnets, so you can bend it. I mean, you can move it if you get forceful enough, but a normal bending like this, you know, it ain't going to move. And it's not going to move by weight because all you're soldering is wires and circuit boards. So another thing that I'm going to do with this is I had this on my soldering station. And the thing always tipped over because this is, it looks brass, but it's plastic, basically. You know, it's not as heavy as it looks. So I took some powerful earth magnets and I put them inside this here. No, I don't want to take it apart. It's taped. I put some earth magnets into the lower portion of this. So as you guessed it, look at that. That's not moving. So that didn't come with this. I bought this here a while back, actually, because I hate those sponges, those wet sponges. They dry up. They cool down your irons. They don't clean as well, you know, type thing. So I went and got some a couple of. I didn't buy the wire bristles here. I went to the store and picked up the scrubby brushes. That's what these are. That you get into the grocery store. So I just bought this here, this piece, and you know, it was real cheap that way. These little sponges. Went down the laundry aisle, picked up some scrubby brushes, some brass ones, and I bought 3 or 4 of them and just crammed them in there. These here are just, I didn't forget them. They're extra parts. They put them in the bag. So, you know, pretty nice clamps here. It has heat shrink on them right here. And they secure down pretty good with these thumb screws. You can see right here. So overall, yeah, I like this. Now, you know, hold on to your saddle horn here, cowboy, because that is not cheap. But I got tired of all those little stupid helping hands things that doesn't really do anything. Harbor Freight I had some Harbor Freight one. It had a little magnifier on it, and I bought a couple of those, and you know, they're just not very good. This here will be good. I'm going to use this, like I said, mainly for light, not a magnifier. I have a headband. This one right here. Yeah. Get this out. Right here. The different lenses you can put in. It kind of looks funky and cheap. You know, Showtime Studios had one of these, and I always see him used in his videos, and I go, wow, that looks pretty nice, and it is really, really comfortable. It's I wore it all day, airbrushing and stuff like that, and it's been really, really comfortable to do. So this is my new toy, and you know, I'm probably gonna get some extra things out as well. So someone's mentioned me, obviously, in my video, but I'll go ahead and let you go. This is Ron from Sci-Fi Model Shop. Say energize and go build a model.